This is the work of a crew of papyrus, stranded for a moment on the ocean of Osiris, absorbing all she can for every member of her clan, expanding exponentially like some recursive virus. She'd take me on, I never fail to ride on the redundant rail. Cause when I know she's switching track, there's always one to take me back. And through the bedroom door intrude a fretful frown and spoil the mood. Cause though I never really stand that tall, she'd tilt my frame, she'd watch me fall. This is the work of a crew of papyrus, stranded for a moment on the ocean of Osiris.